Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, you need to open Themes app. Then click on the search bar, type in wherever you wish to, or select one of those options at the bottom, like top, and click on the best option for you from here, in my case free. Now you need to tap on the theme that you wish to apply. I will go with this one, select download, wait a bit, and then click on apply. In this pop-up, choose whatever you wish to, in my case discard, and wait again. And now as you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my HUAWEI has changed. But you can always go into Themes app, but this time select me at the bottom right corner. Now click on My Themes to access all your downloaded ones, or scroll down and tap on one of those default ones, in my case mint green. Then choose Apply and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!